What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin as it is currently down 6%. The entire market is relatively down. I think it's just a normal pullback, but we're going to be looking into Dogecoin. Now, in the previous video on Dogecoin, we talked about it actually starting to come down and to consolidate from this high right here of 48 cents. Now, we're making the video roughly around these highs, and we're talking about this level on the fib, the 2.618, as well as this previous resistance level being used as a resistance, and for us to actually come down and consolidate and potentially even come down to the 33 cent area, which will be roughly a 20% dip from 40 cents. So whilst it's quite a large dip, compared to the percent, it's not a large dip compared to the move up that we've had. As a move up, if we take a look from the start of October, it's a 4x move to where we're at right now, and a 20% dip on a 4x move, 400%, it's not that big. So I think anybody that is entering obviously at these highs, they are going to feel the dip quite significantly. But people like you, if you watch my videos or if you're inside of the Discord where we are constantly calling out Dogecoin and other coins at these incredible lows of 10 cents, even 8 cents and below, then again you'll be securing profits here at a 4-5x. Now, if you're not in the Discord, then I'd highly recommend you join, because we are sending out daily trades in there of futures, spot, meme coin trades, everything like that is being sent out every single day, and they are absolutely insane. We're crushing it day in and day out, so make sure to join up. You can see on the screen just how many wins we're having. So yeah, back to Dogecoin. Now, again, the people that entered here in FOMO mode, they're the ones that are going to be probably posting, how crypto is a scam and Dogecoin is crumbling, the crypto market is crumbling. But if you really zoom out, that's not the case. The case is they just entered way too late and they're FOMOing. So we're actually going to be looking to come down to this area, 33 cents, and this is where we can start to look to really accumulate some more and find some shorter term trades. So one trade that I talked about was entering here and a simple trade to the resistance level. No need for a stop loss because we're trading on spot. If you're doing a futures trade, then it's going to be quite risky, but you should go on a lower time frame and find a lower time frame entry to be more precise with the stop loss, or you can just join the Discord, because we're probably going to be sending out a trade for this Dogecoin trade on futures with a precise stop loss and entry, so make sure to join up. But yeah, 40% profit on spot, 10x leverage and 400% profit. But this is a pretty simple trade, just purely based off the range that we're going to get here. And the reason I do think we're going to get this range is because this also lines up with the 50% fair value gap. I'll make this black just so it's slightly stands out more. Yeah, if we get a 50% fill, then it's going to be roughly 31 cents, which I think couldn't easily happen. And it's also such a huge move up. This was previously used as a support, so I think this entire level will be used as a support, and it's the 1.618 level. So there's a lot of key confluence here that will allow us to use this lever as a support. Another thing we need to take a look at is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is another one we talked about, and how it was going to resist this area here and how it should come down to roughly 90,000. I think this is going to be a relatively simple move. Obviously, today we had the news of MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor buying $5.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. The market is still dumping. Again, it's quite common. MicroStrategy's news now doesn't affect the market that much, simply because it's quite common for them to be buying, and they put it straight, they don't have the best track record of buying lows. The previous time they bought Bitcoin was during the previous bull market, and they bought at a high, and then they had to sit through these entire lows where a lot of people were saying that it was a bad investment until we actually rallied. So for them to be purchasing more at these immense highs is slightly strange. Again, it just shows their belief in Bitcoin, but they have a much longer term outlook on Bitcoin. They're not looking for this bull run in particular. They're looking for the future generational bull run. So it's a bit different to us and how we're looking to take profits. So yeah, I expect Bitcoin to dip down to at least $90,000 here before we see any sort of accumulation coming back up. So whilst that's dumping, we also need to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin dominance is also starting to dump off, and until we break these lows, we won't actually be in a downtrend. So we need this to enter a downtrend, as well as Bitcoin needs to go in an uptrend. But as long as this Bitcoin dominance chart enters a downtrend, then that will be bullish for altcoins and these meme coins included, which will be very good for this trade. Now, once entries are hit, again, we're going to be looking to take profits at roughly 44 cents. If you're looking to hold longer term, then maybe you can push it to 50 cents for around 50% profit, but I think that 10% profit isn't really worth the hassle. Instead, you'd probably just be holding your longer term bags, maybe 70, 61 cents. I think that'd be a slightly smarter move, and just catch these shorter term trades whilst you can. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, if you do want to be getting these trades every single day, then just check out the Discord down below. Super easy to join, super easy to copy the trades, and our trades are actually insane. Like, you can see on the screen right now just how many wins we're getting every single day, so don't miss out on them. This is probably the best time you're going to get to join, because the market is absolutely insane for finding these trades, and we're doing all the work for you. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade crypto, then check out all the exchanges we're working with also down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye, guys.